Say this.
That is children.
You know when Man U
playing on that pitch, blood.
You know when Man U come second last year, and a couple Man U fans say to me, I say, you man come second, then you bought this, and this. Why aren't you challenging? They go, well, it weren't really second because Liverpool were crap, had no defense. Chelsea were Lampard first half of the season, and obviously everyone else was just everyone else. Obviously Arsenal were just still figuring out the Arteta thing and whatever, and Tottenham are Tottenham. You know what I'm saying?
Shit.
So facts. So now, would you say Man United crazy underachieving? Yes, I say yes or no question. Compared to the, especially the start of the season, when you walked into the season.
When United started the season, I thought United would be title contenders.
There you go. So they're underachieving. Tottenham are Tottenham, regardless of they got Conte. Tottenham are Tottenham. Yeah. Kane is Kane.
So it's only one team that's flopped a lot. No. So I think it's still an achievement because
no, I'm not saying it's not an achievement, but do you think it's not like you're the best out of a bad bunch, or you're just cool, you're doing your thing? Because right now I think it's a bit of both.
I think at the start, before we got into top four, when we had games in hand to get into top four, I think we was the best out of the shit man.
Okay.
Now, I think we're the fourth best team in the league. And it's down to Arteta, blood. And people will sit there and be like, this guy's Arteta out. Yeah, I am, blood, but I can praise at the same time.
You can.
People seem to need to realize this. I don't want to cuss Arteta.
Yeah.
I don't like cussing Arteta. I want my manager to do his job. I want him to, do you understand? If I see something that's working, I'm going to believe it. Right. Emery's first season, I saw something. So I supported it. Arteta, when he first come, I weren't with it. Then,
I know.
You get me? Then we went into Rona. We came out. Whatever he did then, he built something. We got the FA Cup. Then he went out and fucked the window. Absolutely shambolic window. Willian, all these idiots. Loaned out.
You was a holiday club for about 7-8 months.
You feel me?
You was a holiday club, G.
That season there was when I turned out because I was like, bro, at one point, it was December and we were 15th. We were 5th Arsenal Football Club, bro.
Yeah.
So man can't be telling me I'm a flip-flop because my club has never dropped to 15th in the Premier League, bro. In my lifetime, I've never seen my club that low, blood. I was panicking.
You was rock bottom as well.
People might say, I expect too much of Arsenal.
Yeah.
I don't expect too much of Arsenal. I grew up on a different Arsenal.
This is why I said
these kids
you're not used to this lifestyle.
These men grew up on 4th is a trophy. I grew up on Premier League is our goal. Start of the season, what we doing? We're going to go for the Premier League. If we don't win that, we're finishing second and we're getting the FA Cup. Okay. Fuck the League Cup. We're going for that's what we're doing, blood. Do you understand? So my mentality is different. You see that with Henry as well. When he comes out and talks, he's from a different Arsenal, a different era, a different generation.
Different mentality.
He was totally correct when he said that if we don't get 4th, it's a failure. Because it is in our hands, blood. It is literally there.